What's going on, everyone? My name is Donovan, and tonight we're going to be testing out some tempered glass screen protectors from a company called Sparin. These are available right now on Amazon.com for $8. So you get a 4-pack right here, so you can see right there, $8 for a 4-pack of tempered glass screen protectors. So if for some reason you pick up more than one Google Pixel 3a XL, maybe you pick them up for the whole family, well, you get a 4-pack here for only $8. So you can't really beat that price for 4 of them. So that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features. So 9H hardness, HD clear, anti-scratch, waterproof. Basically, that just means that if the tempered glass screen protector gets water on it, it's not going to peel up, and then also bubble free. So in the package, you can see we have an installation kit. So we'll go ahead and open that up and see what comes in it. And it looks like I ripped some things there when I did that. But let's go ahead and pop these out. So one of the big complaints about the Google Pixel 3a XL, and I'm not really sure how true this really is, but some people have said that it's using like maybe dragon tail glass, and so as a result it's a little bit more scratch prone. I'm not really sure how true that is, but in here we get 4 wet cloths, so that's cool. We get some instructions too, by the way, I should mention that. And then we have this little microfiber cloth, this little, I don't know, squeegee thing. And then we have some dust absorbing stickers. So I'm not really sure I'm going to use much of any of these except the dust absorbing stickers, because honestly I haven't really gotten the phone all that dirty at this point. But then also, of course, you get the 4 tempered glass screen protectors. So really it's just going to be a quick video, because I'm literally only going to clean off the screen a little bit and then apply it. So it shouldn't be a big deal. Now if I mess up, obviously I got 4 chances at it, because I only got one of these phones, so I shouldn't really need anything other than to clean it up a little bit and then make sure I don't have any dust and apply it. So after that, we'll go ahead and see how it works out, and we'll come back as soon as this thing is applied. Protector installed, so I want to go ahead and show you what it looks like on the phone. So one thing you'll notice is that it doesn't come right up to the edges of the phone. That's because the phone does curve here on the edges. They do make some screen protectors that have kind of that black sticky stuff. I tend to not like those screen protectors as much, but you get a little bit more coverage for those. But you can see that this one pretty much went on flawlessly. There's no bubbles, there's no specks or anything of dust, so that's awesome. And that's exactly what you want. So for only $8, basically you get, I would say, the perfect screen protector. So I'm gonna go ahead and test it out with this case. My assumption is that this is gonna work with any case, mainly because there is that gap there. So if that gap's gonna bother you, obviously this would not be the screen protector for you. You'd wanna go with one of those full coverage ones that has the sticky stuff on the sides of it. But you can see that this one does a fantastic job. You can see it has an opening for the sensor, the speaker, and then also for the camera. So no issues there whatsoever. Now you can probably see that I do have just a small speck of dust down there, but that's in the bezel anyway, so I don't really care about that one. But overall, I would definitely give this one a thumbs up. It's only $8 on Amazon. Check it out in the links down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.